Have you ever wondered how far smartphone technology can push the boundaries of affordability and performance? Enter the Realme C53, a device that promises to redefine what budget-friendly smartphones can achieve. Unpacking the Realme C53 reveals a sleek design that catches the eye. The device boasts a large 6.7-inch display, offering vibrant colors and clear visuals that make streaming videos and playing games a delightful experience. This screen isn't just big, it's smart, with adaptive brightness that adjusts to your environment, ensuring the best viewing experience at all times. Under the hood, the Realme C53 is powered by an octa-core processor. This engine ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance whether you're navigating between apps or tackling demanding games. Accompanying the processor is a generous 4 GB of RAM, making sluggishness a thing of the past. Storage is often a concern with budget smartphones, but not with the Realme C53. It comes equipped with 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card. This means plenty of space for your photos, videos, apps, and more. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Realme C53's camera setup. It features a 13-megapixel main camera that captures sharp, detailed photos. Complementing this is a 2-megapixel depth sensor, perfect for those portrait shots with blurred backgrounds. The camera software also includes AI enhancements, offering features like night mode and panorama to boost your photography skills. Battery life is paramount, and here the Realme C53 excels with its massive 5,000 mAh battery. This powerhouse can comfortably last a full day of heavy usage and even 2 days with moderate use. Moreover, it supports quick charging, so you're never out of juice for long. Connectivity options on the Realme C53 include dual SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, ensuring you stay connected in various environments. The phone also runs on the latest version of Android, providing a clean, user-friendly interface and access to millions of apps on the Google Play Store. In conclusion, the Realme C53 stands out in the crowded market of budget smartphones. With its robust performance, impressive display, and long-lasting battery, it offers exceptional value for its price. This device proves that you don't need to break the bank to own a smartphone that meets all your daily needs and more. The Realme C53 is not just another budget phone, it's a budget revolution.